It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Rd in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Acadia Denali. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the Acadia. On the driver's door, power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, power folding mirrors, the programmable memory seat, auto express windows, the child lock button, the power liftgate button. This Denali comes with a premium Bose sound system, as well as the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, Denali badging in both headrests, power sunroof up above, rubber floor mats down below. To the left of the steering wheel, we've got the heads-up display button. Next, I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. On the left side are the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert and that heated steering wheel button. On the right side, we've got the audio buttons. This is the digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by using the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, and OnStar. This is our rear view mirror camera. We're able to change that view back to normal by flicking the switch at the bottom of the screen. Here we have GMC's Infotainment Center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera. We're able to change the camera view by pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. To the left here is the push start button, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, the park reverse drive buttons, some USB and power plug-ins, the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. Auto stop start, traction control, hazard lights, park assist, heated and cooled front leather seats, lane departure alert, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, sport mode, and off-road mode. At the front of the Denali, we've got that unique Denali grille. Embedded in the grille is our front camera. We've got fog lights, 20-inch aluminum wheels, a 3.6-liter V6 engine under the hood, roof rails up top. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator. Rear tinted windows. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. At the back, we've got the rear window wiper and washer, as well as the power lift gate. We can pop that open with the push of a button. In the back, we've got the tethers to fold that third row seating down, a power plug-in, cargo hooks, and a smaller storage compartment located down below. Last, we'll take a look inside the back of this 6-passenger crossover. On the passenger door, power windows and a cup holder. On the backs of both front seats, there are seat pockets. The back of the center console has the rear climate control buttons, heated rear seats, and some USB and power plug-ins. To gain access to the third row, we can use the center aisle or pull the lever located on the top of the seat to engage that slide technology. In the back, we've got 2 additional seats, some cup holders, and USB plug-ins. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Acadia Denali today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.